Love at first sight is what happened to me when I saw this PC case for the first time. Let's unbox it. So this is the Height White 40 Snow Edition. And you might be wondering what's so special about a Snow Edition. The Snow Edition is referring to the all white interior. And we're talking everything, all the mounts, all the fans, everything that comes with it is white, which looks even better in real life than in the pictures that I saw online. One other incredible thing about this case, it comes with a vertical GPU mount included right out of the box, which is incredible. Now the real question is, do I build a third PC and do it in this case or what?